Well, Anthony, Dr. Chris Tana says during peak hours, which is between 10 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon, you should limit your kids' time outside to about 30 minutes or less. You should give them a shady area to rest when they're out there, give them plenty of fluids to drink, and have them wear light clothing. When school's out for summer, kids want to enjoy time in the pool with friends. But parents and guardians should look out for signs of heat exhaustion or heat stroke. Dr. Chris Tana says heat exhaustion is usually the first or second step of any heat injury. Symptoms include profuse sweating, breathing fast or heavy, and cramps or abdominal pain for adults. For children, watch for heavy sweating, weakness, passing out, heat rash, and vomiting or nausea.
Kids are definitely more susceptible even than adults, and what you tend to see is profuse sweating. You tend to see people breathing fast, breathing hard, more than they normally would with their usual activities.
A person experiencing a heat stroke may get confused and become weak or faint. He says the situation is dire when a person stops sweating in the heat.
What usually happens with heat stroke is that the body's temperature has gone up far too high, usually over 104 degrees. Sweating stops. You can get confused, you can become very weak, you can pass out.
Tana says drinking just water can sometimes make a heat-related illness worse because your body is losing salt through the sweat. He recommends bringing water and a sports drink for hydration. Every
year we see lots of people in the emergency department in the hospital with heat injuries, especially in Florida and the more humid states. So it's important to recognize the warning signs and take action early, because the longer you wait, the harder it is to treat and the more likely you are to get sick.
Tonight at 6, find out how you can treat heat exhaustion at home and when you should go to the emergency room for a heat-related illness. Live in Jacksonville, Cheyenne Cole, First Coast News, on your side.